This is something interesting. I've seen it before, not often, certainly not monthly. It says it's the EAS, the Emergency Something Service. This particular one today, March 9th, 2022, came through two different ways. First, it connected to the box and it said EAS, and it like interrupted service. And then the screen looked very different, but I didn't have my phone and it did not tape, so I couldn't show it. But then on a following broadcast, there was one. Now, it has what I call a ticker tape at the top. And the ticker tape says that it's part of the monthly broadcasting service, whatever. They don't do this monthly. My box doesn't receive monthly broadcast interruptions for emergency service testing. But it makes a loud noise. And then it says that in case of like a tornado or whatever, they would interrupt the featured broadcast, I suppose, in order to update with this emergency service, whatever. Civil something, monthly test for the following: New York counties, Bronx, Kings, New York. I've never even heard of Richmond. Queens. Oh wait, Richmond, isn't that Staten Island? Or is that? Right, yeah, oh, look at that. Even for emergency service update, the locals call the counties something different than emergency service has. Look at that. How do the locals get away with this stuff? I don't get it. I mean, it's so confusing listening to the humans.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
And the thing speaking does not sound North American at all. It sounds something Korean or Chinese that learned English.
In the event of an actual emergency, this system would bring you important information. This is only a test.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WABC TV serves the New York area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
It still didn't explain what the A is for.
Your wish is granted.
It's star 1978, star 8378, Nicole, Cattaruzza. It's Earth, solar system, Milky Way, universe, galaxy is broken. Bayside station, Bayside, New York, 11361.